Roman numerals. This is part 4 of a series of videos about Roman numerals, and in this video we're going to look at a much larger number. Now, 4,746. How do we write this number in Roman numerals? Well, the first thing we do is we look at the 6. How do we write 6 in Roman numerals? Well, it would be V and I. V is 5 and I is 1 more than the V or the 5, so it'd be 6. Okay, if the I was before the V, it'd be 1 before the V, which would be 4, but it's not, it's 6. Now the 4 is 40. Okay, so we have X and L, X being 10 less than 50 and L is 50, so therefore XL is worth 40, which is the 4 underlined in red. Okay, the 7/700ths. Alright, now do we write 7 C's? Let me see. No. We get rid of the 7 C's and we're going to put in a D, which is 500. Okay, a D which is 500 and 2 C's. So we're going to put in 500, which is D, followed by 2 C's. Look carefully. D, C, C. The D is 500, 1 C after it is another 100 and another 100. That's 700. Now for 4,000, could we write 4 M's? Well, you could, but there's a better way. Okay? There's a better way, and that's when we are talking about much larger numbers, much higher than M, much higher than 1,000. It'd be like 5,000, 10,000, 20,000. But I'm not going to go up too far. I'm just going to go up to the 5,000 number. Now, there aren't any new letters in Roman numerals after the M, but what happens when you get to 5,000, you write 5,000 as a V, which represents 5, with a dash on top, and that dash on top means you multiply the V by 1,000. So the V with a dash in it, which is right here, is 5 times 1,000. So for 4,000, we could write an M before the V with a dash in it to tell us that it's 1,000 less than the V with a dash in it. Therefore, okay, because the M is worth 1,000, the V is worth 5,000, and so therefore 1,000 less than 5,000, which would be 4,000. Now let's take a look at our number here. Okay, just to look into it, just so that you really understand it. First of all, the M, well, first we look at the M and the V with a dash in it. Now there's a letter that's worth less than the letter after it, so we're assuming it's less than the number after it. For instance, M is worth 1,000 and V is worth 5,000, so therefore it's 1,000 less than 5,000, which is 4,000. Now the D is worth 500 because we're going down here. It's okay. 100 is a C, another 100 is a C. Okay, the XL, there's another one where the X is worth less than the L, so it's going to be less than the L, so that's going to be 40. Okay, the X and L will be 40. The X is smaller than the L. Usually the letters come smaller after, but when they're before, we're going less. 40, and then the V and the 1 is 6. So that all comes up to 4,746. If there's any part of this you don't understand, we went too fast, watch it again, and if it still doesn't work, let me know. Thank you.